during midday there was some sort of work going on in a local enterprise. And there were sparks, and that's how the local people told us that the fire started. Now, it spread very quickly because of the winds, and despite the fact that both fire engines and planes are on the spot, now it's getting darker. It won't be easy for the planes have gone, but we're asking for more help, for more fire engines. We're trying to coordinate, and people are frustrated and very anxious, as you can realize. And what we're asking for is more fire engines and more men to help because the fire will spread if we don't have more people coming over from other places.